I want to show you this casting kit that I received from the company. To be honest, I was a little intimidated by this and I don't mind doing crafts, but I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult and messier than it actually was. My 9-year-old son did it with me and he basically did most of it. So the directions are really clear. It gives you great like step-by-step guides and it comes with everything that you need to make this like really cool keepsake. If you're looking for a craft to do with your kids, or maybe for yourself or your family, this is perfect. It's great as a
Ano na
gift
yan,
to give
Annalise?
somebody. It's something that you'll have forever. My son loved it. This was his favorite part after he sat there
Are
for
you
maybe like
kidding?
15 minutes or maybe
No.
10, to actually make
I
the
want you
cast
to
in
take
the
those
bucket with
pants
his
off
hand. He
your
was able to
dress.
peel off this
Aside
material to
from the pants
reveal
that I
his
bought you.
hand, which he loved. He thought that was so cool, so fun, which I agree. I loved it too.
Look, look.
And then now he has this like casted keepsake of time from when he was 9 for his hand. We're gonna put it in his room and put it on a bookshelf. I think it makes like a great decoration. It comes again with everything that you need. You can sand it after and kind of clean it up. Use a brush. You can paint it if you'd like. I don't know if he's going to paint his or not. I'm not sure yet. And then it comes with this like wooden stand that you could put it on. Again, I think this is like such a cool thing to do. We definitely are going to do the rest of our family and have everybody's. I wouldn't be intimidated to try this, and I'm glad that I did it. So now I know it's something that I can do, and because of the way that it comes, it's really pretty simple and takes not that long.